And then kapag nakumpleto na nila yung roadmap nila, magkakaroon to ng in-app crypto wallet and malilist na sa mga centralized exchanges. And yung mga naiipon nating total balance or points dito sa Buzzer, pwedeng-pwede na siyang isend sa PayPal or crypto wallet. So, on the works pa yan. Kaya hindi to overnight na ano yung parang ine-expect mo pagka nag-install ka, kikita ka kagad in a few days. Matagal pa to, okay? So, pero ang maganda niyan, kung masisimulan natin to habang hindi pa siya pinapansin ng maraming tao, mas okay. So, makikita natin sa taas, your verification status is pending. So, mag-update ako sa inyo guys kung magiging verified na rin yung account natin soon, okay? Ayan guys, Buzzer app update tayo today. I-share ko lang itong isang pre-recorded video. For additional information, itong pre-recorded video na to dated October 22, 2025, okay? Kasi yung date today is October 27 na. So, ipi-play ko muna yung video para maintindihan ninyo kung paano siya nangyari. Ayan. So, ang nangyari dito guys, from the time na nag-install ako nitong Buzzer app, after about 24 to 48 hours, itong araw na to na nag-login ako or nag-open ako ng Buzzer app, bigla na lang lumitaw talaga tong option to get a verified badge, okay? So makikita ninyo sa taas, Bayanihan Sports, get verified badge. So help followers feel more confident messaging you from your ads. And then may option to click on upgrade now. Okay, so by that time nitong recording natin, meron pa lang akong 10 post, 10 followers, and meron tayong fina-follow na 2 accounts. So kapag tinuloy natin yung video, clinic natin dito yung upgrade now. So tingnan lang natin siya. Okay. So ito yung magiging option, upgrade now. Makikita natin dito may magpa-pop up sa may baba. Ayan. And then i-click nyo lang yung upgrade now. So yung mga advantages kapag verified na yung Buzzer account natin, makikita natin dito, upgraded profile features, search optimizations, get featured in feed, okay? So kapag talaga verified na yung Buzzer app natin, mas maganda siya kasi feeling ko may algorithm rin tong Buzzer app na magiging advantageous sa atin pagdating ng araw kung magiging fully verified na rin yung Buzzer app account natin. So pwede nyo rin i-follow yung account natin, Bayanihan Sports, and ilalagay ko na rin yung invitation code para makapag-set up kayo ng Buzzer app ninyo, okay? And disclaimer statement para sa ating Crypto Bayanihan Web3 wallets, the content provided in this video is strictly for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial investment, legal, or professional advice. We do not promote or solicit the purchase or sale of any cryptocurrencies, tokens, exchanges, or financial instruments. All the information shared on our YouTube channel is published in good faith and are intended to help our viewers understand blockchain and Web3 technologies. Maraming salamat.